In a world where people traveled in tubes, Bob was excited to try the new Hyperloop. "It's like a roller coaster without the loops," he exclaimed. As he boarded, he imagined zooming through the countryside at lightning speed. Suddenly, the Hyperloop stopped. "Technical difficulties," announced the voice overhead. Bob sighed. "Guess we're stuck in a giant straw." His friend Tim chuckled. "At least we won't get sucked into a milkshake." Finally, the Hyperloop resumed, and Bob learned that even the future has its hiccups. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.